Hey guys, I recently picked up this Skin by Titan men perfume gift pack, so let's check it out. MRP is 1955 and I got it from Amazon with 15% discount for just 1695, and I've put the link in the description box below, and you won't get much discount on this product. Inside the pack you get raw EDP 50 ml perfume and raw 75 ml deo spray. Let's start with the perfume first. The bottle looks beautiful, premium feel, and the cap closes really tight with a nice satisfying click sound when it's properly shut. The fragrance, it's amazing, amazing. It feels really premium, not overpowering at all. It's mild and subtle. Top notes are fresh and crisp. Heart notes bring in floral tones and violet vibes, and base has that aquatic and woody vibes. So longevity, the scent stays with you throughout the day, easily 6-7 hours on skin, and the projection is moderate. First 2-3 hours it leaves a good trail, then it becomes more of a skin scent. Now let's move on to the deo spray. This is 75 ml deo spray, and the fragrance is same, gives you the fresh citrusy aquatic vibe, and on clothes it lasts really well, around 6-7 hours. On skin about 3-4 hours. Projection isn't that super strong. It stays close to the skin, but the fragrance, it's so amazing. I would say it is one of the best perfume from the Indian brand, perfect for summer. You should definitely give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.